So we just arrived at Mount Rushmore, feeling very patriotic today, as you can see. We just got our first view of the faces, and wow, I have to say this exceeded my expectations so far. So we'll give you guys a look around.
All right, here we are at Mount Rushmore, and there's Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt, and Lincoln in all their glory, about to catch an amazing sunrise way up there.
Oh yeah.
This has completely exceeded our expectations. It's absolutely amazing.
So if you're gonna come here, definitely come here early. We got here about 5:30 a.m. and there's only a few people here, so we pretty much have it all to ourselves. We heard that it could get pretty packed midday, so we were soaking up the views all by ourselves.
Greetings from Mount Rushmore. The walkway up to the Grandview Terrace is lined with all the state flags and territories. And I'm not gonna lie, the sun coming up on Mount Rushmore is simply incredible.
We are headed out on the Presidential Trail now, which is going to get us a little bit closer to the faces. This trail is only 2/10 of a mile, but it gets you a little bit more up close and personal to Mount Rushmore. This is pretty awesome. We get a sunrise view to our right and Mount Rushmore on the left.
It is so cool at sunrise, seeing the light hit their faces for the first time.
So apparently over 2 million people visit Mount Rushmore every year, but right now there are only 2 of us. So like Gary said before, there are flags for all the states, so this is our current flag, New Jersey, unfortunately, but this will be our state in about 3 years. See you soon, Arizona. One last view from Mount Rushmore before we head back to the car. This is truly incredible. Bye bye, Mount Rushmore. arrived at Devil's Tower in Wyoming, and we are hiking the Tower Trail, which is going to take us to the base of Devil's Tower. So this should be pretty cool. This tower is absolutely massive. It is 867 feet high from base to summit. A lot of climbers come here to climb Devil's Tower, but you do need to register in order to climb it. And we're gonna have to skip that for today. We have no climbing gear and no guide to get us up there.
For you movie buffs, Devil's Tower was featured in the 1977 movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Pretty cool to see in person after you've seen the film when you were a kid.
I'm not sure how well you could see it on the GoPro, but this area right here is called the window. Check out the size of this thing. Actually see a few of the climbers on the tower. Wow. I think I want to come back and climb this one day.
Michelle would like to do a lot more climbing than just on that rock.
Facts. We're still coming back and climbing this one day. I'm calling it. I'm pretty sure I've stopped about every 30 seconds to get a new picture and video of Devil's Tower. It is incredible. One quick note, there are many Native American prayer bundles that are tied to the trees. They're like tiny pieces of cloth. Just be mindful of them, be respectful of them. Do not touch them, do not take pictures of them. Just look at them, soak them in, and be respectful. All
right, we are just finishing up the Tower Trail, Devil's Tower, and about 1.6 on the trail, according to my Garmin. Note that your annual park pass, or national park pass, will work here. And according to Michelle, we will be back here to climb this one day.
We will be back. We're coming back to climb this bad boy. Mark my words.
Right, thank you for the view. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys soon on our next adventure.